Okay, so now it's 9 p.m. a.m. Sorry again. And if you go to chat or press Alt H, you could go using this shortcut, and you can ask your questions. I hope you all watched the lecture video, and now it's time for questions. Okay, so the question from Al-Nur. Will we need to do scientific research? Not for now. If you find yourself interested in biology so much that you want to do scientific research, of course, you can come to us and ask for the directions. And of course, if you're from chemistry, from computer science or physics, you can easily find the topic that will interest you like a lot. But anyway, if you want to do scientific research, just come to us, and after a small chat, we will guide you. So it's just like, it just goes like this for all students, not only for non-majors in biology, but for biology students too. So if you're really interested, you will find a way. Be sure about that. And the thing why we send the videos about the scientific research is just for you to understand how the field of biology science evolves now, how it develops, and what to expect in the like soon time. Just because if you think that biology is a standalone scientific field, it's not true anymore, because most of the projects now are interdisciplinary, and you find very like many fields that are involved in the same project. Okay, so for this week, try to find the sections of the book that explain evolution. If you have time, just read through it, understand it, because this is something from the general knowledge that should be known by everyone, not only biologists, because sometimes you might be participating in the conversations about evolution, and many people have very vague idea, and usually a wrong idea about evolution. And I don't ask you to kind of make them believe that evolution is everything. It's just given, right? So, but you have to know what is evolution and how it works, because you are the students of the higher education. And it means that your level of knowledge is higher than the average. So you have to know what the evolution is. Arujan, yes, it is more about the concepts, your ability to think logically. And we don't want you to just remember the bunch of stuff, the facts that you will not be using further. We want you to understand the concepts, because whenever you are prepared to something, it means that you can use this knowledge in a very different way, in a very different field. So, for example, when I was doing my second master's, everything that I knew from computer science actually helped me a lot, just because the laws that kind of drive this universe, the nature, they are always the same. So if you know the rules that work in computer science, you might use them in biology too, and vice versa. Parajan, again, it's all about your understanding of what you want to do in your life. So people who want to do biology, they usually find cons, and those who doesn't want to do biology as the major, they find pros. So it's a complex question. The thing is, you will be doing biology, if you choose it as a majors, you will be doing it for a long time. So you will have to be very serious and plan everything beforehand to understand if you want to do that. So it's not a 5-minute answer. What are the pros and cons?